Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Many of you guys asked which wig I was wearing in my last fashion haul, and y'all, the wig was from Divaswigs. In this box is probably one of the most realistic straight texture units that I've ever tried. This is their super fine HD invisible undetectable seamless swish transparent lace unit. And guys, it's a 360, so you can wear it up in a ponytail. This type cap construction offers a great deal of versatility, and it also comes with detachable elastic bands, so you could actually wear it glueless. Now, this is what the lace looks like. This is the type of lace that's gonna melt right into the skin. I love the color of this lace and everything. This new transparent lace is in high demand, and it's very popular because it is so seamless and it looks so natural. Now, attaching the elastic band is gonna be very good for those who don't desire to secure it down, but I decided to secure mine down to show you all how flawless this lace is. The coverage along my hairline is impeccable. I love how they pre-pluck the hairline. It just blends so well. Look at this hairline. Like, they have upgraded in order to make the hairline look more natural, and they did such a good job. This should be every celebrity's wig because it looks so realistic. Now, the knots on this wig have been lightly bleached. In the area where the parting is pre-styled, it does look much better than in other areas, so I would suggest, if you want it to look very natural and also be bleached throughout, that you do it again yourself. But if you're gonna wear it parted where it came, then you should be okay. Now, the only thing that I was leery about with this particular unit is that my stocking cap was peeking through because of the thick band in the front. And at this point, I was contemplating whether I should do the ball cap method, but I really don't like that method because it takes so long. So what I decided is just to cut around the peak of my hairline in the front, just to ensure that the area near the parting is nice and flat. This is my first time trying this method, and I really like it a great deal. It's very beginner friendly, and it cuts down on much of the time and hassle that the ball cap method requires. So after pulling back the stocking cap in the front, I'm just spraying the bed head along my hairline where I want it to be secure, and then I'm just gonna pull it forward on top of that area, use my blow dryer on the cool setting to just allow it to dry for a bit. It was super quick and easy, and we're pretty much finished. You could cut off a little bit of the sides, but I wouldn't advise that you cut too much because you don't want that to lift. And then just begin installing your unit. It's as simple as that. Much faster, much easier. As you can see, that made a major difference. Now you can actually see the stocking cap peeking through, so we are looking so natural and like this grew out of my scalp. So when using thin transparent lace like this particular unit has, I would highly recommend that method. So now I'm just gonna put it on the mannequin head, show you guys what it looks like up close and personal while it's not on my head. Now you all can get a better sense of how natural this hairline looks. I'm gonna show you guys the front as well as the back, and the back is also done very well also. And be sure to stay tuned till the end because I will show you guys how I partially secure it down in the back with an adhesive. This unit also is a full lace, so although it's 360, you get lace around the entire circumference of the unit. You also get lace throughout, so you can part it in the back, and it also looked partially like scalp. So cool, right? So now I'm just going to show you all the method that I use in order to tint the lace. I did take off the elastic bands because I won't be needing those for this install. So right now I'm going to be using the lace tint by Wig Gurus. This is in color Caramel Frappe. I'm going to spray that all over the lace, then blow dry the lace to ensure that it's dry. After doing that, I'm going to flat iron the hair using my Ion Copper Deluxe flat iron.
Lady, come here, let me tell you something. Lately I've been wondering if you could be mine forever. See, you was like God, he must be up to something. Know you tired of running, let's just stay here together. I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love. You don't even open up, so your heart can't get crushed. You've been let down so many times, you wonder if you need to get up. You done been through too much, but I ain't tryna mess this up. Hey, let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch the sunrise. We just fine, yeah. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. vacation. People say forever is a mighty long time, I don't know. I ain't really tripping if it mean that I'm holding you close to me.
So now that we've cut the lace off the entire circumference of the unit, I'm going to put it on, moving it forward and positioning it where I want it. Then I'm going to lift the lace and I'm going to do it section by section, adding the Got2b glue in the yellow bottle. And I like using this particular product because this adhesive gets really tacky. And once I lay down the lace in the area that I'm working on, I can actually manipulate the hair so that it looks really smooth and really sleek. And this type of film lace actually melts into my edges really nicely so that it looks like it's my hair. This type of lace is great for any type of hairline. For those like me who have a low hairline, this lace is going to be easier to blend and it's going to melt so much better.
Baby girl, you all I need. Your smile is everything. Come and be my company. You need to take off for work. We can road trip in the A. We can take a dip by the bay. Hop on a plane, go to Spain. No matter the place, girl, you melt my heart like Pompeii. Ay. I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love. You done been through too much, so I ain't tryna mess this up. No, let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch the sunrise. We just fine, yeah. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation, yeah. We paint the picture while they be tracing, yeah. Landing in all type of nations. Can't get enough of your love, girl. You been so patient. We started off in the basement. Now we up out of space again. Number one is the place we in. It's a meal at the finish line. All my people gon' race to win. Lord have mercy on Polo, please. He got a case to win. Can't fold, never crease, don't bend. If you do, don't cry, we been now. So let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch the sunrise. We just fine, yeah, we just fine.
Y'all, I cannot get over how natural this looks. Now we're about to take it to the next level. I'm gonna hot comb the area near the parting, also the area near the hairline, and it's gonna look so stunning. Like, wow, this literally looks like I got a silk press.
Baby girl, you all I need. Your smile is everything. Come and be my company. You need to take off for work. We can road trip in the A. We can take a dip by the bay. Hop on a plane, go to Spain. No matter the place, girl, you melt my heart like Pompeii. Ay. I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love. You done been through too much, so I ain't tryna mess this up. No, let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch the sunrise. We just fine.
Y'all, this lace front is laid. Now I'm gonna refine the parting just to give it a bit more pop, and I'm gonna add my face powder. And then after I do that, I'm gonna show you all what we can do to the back.
You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation.
Now for the back of this 360. I know many of you guys have a lot of questions about how you can secure the back. Now, the way that I'm gonna do it is a very temporary method that you can use in order to secure it down. You can insert the combs in the back, so I've done that. And then I'm gonna apply the Got2b glue to the nape of my hairline. After doing so, I'm gonna blow dry it for about 15 seconds on the cool setting. I'm gonna put the lace down, and then it should pretty much be secure. Now, this is better if you have somebody else to help you with this process. It's also better if you're planning to leave your unit on longer and you're wanting to pull it up, that you apply a wig glue like maybe Ghost Bond or Bold Hold. Those would be better if you're going to leave it on longer and your expectation is for it to hold for much longer than Got2b glue. The Got2b glue, I feel like that might hold up for like hours, maybe a day or so, but I don't foresee that staying on very long. I left my unit on probably for about 5 to 6 hours that day, and it did hold up, but if you're planning to leave it on longer, essentially just use wig glue. All right, guys, so these are the finished results. This looks so good. I love how it turned out. This HD lace is bomb, y'all. I love how thin it is and how it just blended so well with my natural hairline. Like, it just looks flawless. I love, love, love it. And for those who are gonna ask, I do take my units off nightly, and that's just a personal preference of mine. I don't like anything attached to my head when I'm sleeping, so I do take them off every night. So this whole process, if I'm gonna wear it again the next day, I just do it over. That's just my personal preference. But you definitely don't have to do that. You can leave the Gossipy glue on for about 3 days. I have done that in the past, but that's not a consistent routine of mine. This hair is super silky, super soft, and I did get it in 150% density, also in length 20. Now, if you were to go down in density, I wouldn't necessarily recommend that because the density in 150, I feel like it's just perfect. It looks natural. It looks like it could be my actual hair density because it's not too thick, it's not too thin. For me, it's perfect. I love it. So I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave your feedback down in the comment section. Also, I forgot to mention, many of you guys are consistently asking how you can remove your lace front units. If you apply something like bed head or Gossipy glue, it's easy to remove by just spritzing some water on the front hairline. So you just spritz that on the hairline, and then after doing so, allow for it to kind of do its thing and gradually lift. It'll come right off, and it's quick and easy. And you can also use the same process for the back. So I hope that this tutorial was helpful. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. I look forward to you all's feedback on this bomb unit. I cannot wait to see you all in my next tutorial. Bye, guys.
You could be the muse to my passion. I just match my words to my actions. Magic in my life's everlasting. I say I could have the world or be with any girl, but something about your style makes me wanna man up. We should fill our cups, catch a flick and do some stuff. I'm used to one that stands, but with you that's not enough. I don't wanna front, I just wanna see